Hello everyone, we are going to check out Standard 4 SSTs, chapter number 13, our human resources. Before we start the lesson, let's learn some new words or hard words. There are some new words: thickly thickly populated, having lot of population, thinly populated, having less population, migrants, migrants, people who move from one place to another in search of work. Okay, chapter number 13, some more words or new words: education, destiny, employment, converted, malnourished, opportunities, extract, deficiency, thickly, significant, aggravant, thinly, agriculture, migrants, populated, deprived, dispensaries. Hello dear students, let's start the chapter number 13, our human resources. We have read about natural resources, but do you know that human beings are the most important resources? This is because natural resources need to be converted into useful things. It is only through human skills and education that we can find, extract, and then put different natural resources to use. Since independence, significant progress has been made in India in the field of agriculture and industries. Similarly, educational facilities have been provided to make the people of the country literate. Researches by scientists and development in all the spheres of life have improved the standard of living. Still, a lot more needs to be done because half the population is still deprived of even the most basic needs: food, clothing, and shelter. The biggest reason of poverty is our huge population. The population of India is more than 100 crore. The distribution of population is also uneven. Some areas are thickly populated while others are thinly populated. The average density of population in India is 324 people per square kilometer. More than half our total population lives in 5 states. These states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Uttar Pradesh has the highest population and Sikkim has the lowest. Dear students, you can find a huge population of India. Okay, the population of India is more than 100 crore. When population increases, we face shortage of food, school, college, and medical facilities, employment opportunities, and the list of endless. As a result, maximum population remains malnourished and uneducated. They suffer from deficiencies and poor health, which is further aggravated by employment problems, as poor people remain poor and continue to suffer. Now filling the blanks: first number, the population of India is more than 100 crore. Okay. Second number, distribution of population in India is uneven. Okay, answer is uneven, and first number answer is 100 crore. 3 out of 4 people in India live in villages. Life in the villages is though taught for an avenger farmer. If crop production is not good, then he and his family have to suffer the whole year. As a result, the villagers move to cities in the search of jobs. Such people are called migrants. Due to lack of proper education, they do not even get good jobs and end up working on daily wages and in unhygienic conditions. We also have many tribes like the Gonds, Bhils, Santals and Mainas who still depended on forests and forest products. Due to lack of education, their standard of living is very poor. However, the government of India has taken certain steps to solve the immediate problems of the people. Some of them are as follows. Houses and lands are being given to the landless. Dear students, it's a picture of a village life and it's a picture of a tribal people. Okay. Loans through banks are being given to start cottage industry. Okay. Then free education and midday meals in school is a big step towards importing education and keeping the children healthy. Okay. Then more new schools are being opened. People are being educated to have small facilities to remove poverty. People are being educated to have small families to remove poverty. Okay. And employment opportunities are being generated for the jobless. Okay. So in short, we can understand there is a huge crowd or huge population in our India, and because of our huge population of India, there is lack of education, lack of facilities, lack of understanding. So in short, we have come to know that we have a very huge population, and because of that a lot of problems has been arised in the normal life. Okay, means those who are living in village life or city life, even all the people are getting such kind of trouble because of the huge population. Okay, there are some points to remember. Human beings are the most important resource. The main reason of poverty is a huge population. Life in the village is tough. Lack of education is the biggest hindrance in attending progress. Okay, so here we have completed our chapter. In the next video we are going to check out the exercise. Thank you.